Hello mga idol, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, turuan ko kayo kung paano mag-certify ng isang SSS sickness benefit reimbursement ni employer. For example, ako yung employee kung saan nag-file ng sickness kay employer and then I advance na lang aking employer yung payment. Ngayon, kailangan na ni employer yung confirmation ko na na-receive ko na yung advance payment nila. So tara guys, tulungan natin ang ating employer kung paano natin isa-certify yung kanilang application ng reimbursement. Unang-una, mag-login muna tayo sa ating portal account, user ID, password. Makaka-receive naman kayo ng email ng notification ni SSS kapag halimbawa hindi kayo na-notify ng inyong HR. Pagka-login natin, ito yung dashboard natin kay SSS. Meron agad kayong makikita na notification dito sa may taas, right side, itong bell na ito. Nandito yung sickness reimbursement application ng ating employer. Of course, meron kayong dalawang option. Pwede nyo itong i-click itong view all notification or dito naman sa may benefits na section. I-click lang natin dito yung apply sickness application. After that, ito makikita nyo, please be informed that your employer has submitted their sickness benefit reimbursement application for your approved confinement. Please confirm the receipt of advance payment of sickness benefit from your employer not later than April 24. Na-apply ni employer noong April 15 ito. So, April 24 naman yung ating deadline. Kung hindi, mare-reject yung kanilang application. Then, uulitin ulit nila. Close lang natin. After that, dito natin click yun sa may application, sickness application. Ang i-click po natin dito ay itong inquiry. Dito sa may inquiry, meron nakalagay dito itong reference number na to for member confirmation. Ito po yung i-click natin mismo. Ito. Pagka-click na natin, mababasa na natin yung sickness application information na ongoing yung process, nandyan na yung mga details ng ating sickness. After that, makikita nyo dito sa may benefit computation payment details, nakalagay na dyan kung magkano yung total monthly salary credit ninyo, sickness allowance, tapos kailan yung confinement period, ilan yung days approved, at yung claim status ng ating SBRA. Ibig sabihin, for confirmation nito, i-click na natin itong confirm certification. Pagka-click natin ng confirm certification na nakalagay na dito na confirmation of receipt of advance payment of sickness benefit. Nakalagay ulit dyan yung ating mga details. Double check po ninyo na yung amount advance to employee, amount to reimburse to employer kung tugma po siya. Now, i-click lang natin itong I confirm o kaya I do not confirm. Ito po yung pinaka-importante mga idol. I confirm yung i-check ninyo, ang i-click ninyo kapag nabunuhan na ni employer. I do not confirm kapag hindi pa sila nag-abono. Wag na wag po ay malilito doon. Kailangan abono po muna si employer bago natin i-certify yung kanilang reimbursement application. Dahil wala na pong wala na po itong bawian kapag na-click ninyo yung I confirm kapag hindi nyo pa nakukuha yung advance. Now, meron pa po siyang notification ulit na are you sure you are about to confirm that your sickness benefit is correct? So once na correct, click lang natin yung yes, I confirm it. After that, meron na tayong transaction details na you have successfully confirmed the receipt of advance payment of your sickness benefit from your employer. So, yun guys, maraming salamat. Kapag meron kayong mga katanungan, comment lang po kayo sa YouTube channel para makashare tayo sa ibang mga nagtatanong. Maraming salamat and God bless.